Hey everybody, I'm Jason Gillett and I want to show you this 2020 Nissan Kicks in the SR package. It's in this beautiful blue with the powder white roof. Makes it look like you got a floating roof line. I really like the looks of this vehicle. Now let's check it out. Right up front on the SR, you do get upgraded headlights to a projector style headlight with an LED marker and fog lights up front. Now this vehicle also has an intelligent stopping system, forward collision system. So if it comes up, somebody cuts you off last second, the vehicle is going to attempt to stop you from getting in an accident, which is awesome. Along the sides on the SRs, they do have these stylish aluminum rims. They're also intelligent. They have Nissan's easy fill tire alert system, which means if the tire goes low on pressure, just put the hose to it. When it gets to the right pressure, the horn honks, bam, you don't need a tire gauge. That's awesome. We've got integrated LED lights in the mirrors. These mirrors are heated and power, and they also have a camera system in them. There's not only a camera in this mirror, but the other mirror up front and behind, giving you 360 parking. I'll show you inside that in just a second. Then the vehicle also comes with this nice fob. This fob not only gives you keyless entry and alarm, but also gives you remote start and Nissan's easy entry system. You can just hit this button, it'll lock or unlock the car, letting me get in and out without having to use the remote. Love that system. Coming to the back here, the space inside the Kicks is actually unbelievable. We have a ton of room in the back, and because this is the SR model, it has a synthetic leather system inside, so it's really nice and easy to wipe down, and it also has the orange accents that just make it look super stylish. Come to the rear of the vehicle, it has nice backup sensors to go with that all-around camera system I was telling you about. And if we open up the hatch, you're going to see we have a ton of room inside here. It really is deceiving. You can put all kinds of cargo, whether you have Costco groceries, luggage, whatever you might have, pack your house in here, and those seats fold down flat as well to give you even more room. I was telling you about the forward collision system. It even has a rear collision system, which means if there's a garbage can, something stationary back here, you're backing up quite quick, you don't notice it, it's automatically going to stop you from running into that object. Now, if you can just run around the other side there, I'll show you inside the vehicle. All right, so we are inside this vehicle now. It does have a push button start, so we just put our foot on the brake and hit this start. It's gonna fire right up for us. It's got a nice flat bottom steering wheel, which is leather wrapped and does look really sporty and stylish. The vehicle has blind spot detection, so there's little blind spot lights right here on both sides. This will light up if somebody's in my blind spot, and if I have my signal light on, it's gonna light up, flash, and I'll hear an audible sound as well, just to let me know I'm trying to change lanes with somebody in my blind spot. It does have a partial digital display. Now this partial digital display is awesome. Gives us a digital speedometer and tons of other readouts in here, like temperature, distance to empty, and what we have on for some of our safety features like forward, rear collision, blind spot. The vehicle even has a lane departure warning system. So if you go to leave your lane, you don't have your signal light on, it's gonna let you know, hey, you're getting close to the side of your lane, maybe you should get back into your lane. Really nice safety devices. Also has auto headlights, so those will turn on and off as the daylight gets brighter or darker. Then we've got a really nice touchscreen interface here. Now in this interface, it's actually just like your phone with swipe technology. You can do all kinds of connections, including Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, but this also does host the apps Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So if you plug your phone into this, this is going to become your smartphone. You can use your GPS and everything right from your smartphone to come up on this menu. I was telling you about the camera system on here. We hit this little button called camera. This is gonna show us all around the vehicle. And this one I really like. This is our forward-facing video camera, so I can see if I'm gonna run over a curb or a grocery cart or anything like that I might not be able to see when I'm just looking out front of the vehicle. When we put it in reverse, it'll again show us behind us, and then we also have the rear sonar to go with that. Down here, we've got nice digital climate control, so I can adjust the temperature and then the fan speed. And then we also have heated seats here, which are really nice. You get a nice cool morning. It's nice to throw on the heated seat, which is awesome. USB, just throw that in right there, and that's also how you're gonna connect for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And then we have a 12 volt here. And it's a nice spot to be able to put your phone, throw your keys, whatever you want in there. Really nice deep spot, pocket to hold things. Down here we got a couple cup holders and then 2 more USBs for your passengers. So everybody's got a place to charge things. And then I'll also get a nice armrest here. Gives me a nice driving feel. I can be comfortable when I'm cruising down the road. So that's basically the Nissan Kicks. I hope you guys really enjoyed this SR edition. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day.